Lots of parents are trying to figure out how to talk to their kids about what happened.
It's an important thing for parents to think about and discuss. And our own Catalina Trevino spoke with a child psychologist. She is here now with that part of our team coverage tonight. Catalina?
Well, Brad, Carrie Lee, it's certainly a tough conversation to have with your child. How do you go about it? How much information do you tell them? They're questions parents have who are watching everything unfold.
Fundraisers because
Dr. Laura Saunders is a psychologist at the Institute of Living for Hartford Hospital. She says the deadly explosion at one of Ariana Grande's concerts at the Manchester Arena that killed more than 20 people, including children, is not an easy conversation parents can have with their children.
It's becoming the new normal. We need to just prepare.
And for some, like Amy Sarzan, it makes her skeptical about where she takes her 11-year-old son.
We have never taken to a concert yet. Might make us think twice because it's scary. You don't know we're safe anymore, but then you don't want to, prohibit yourself from enjoying life too.
Dr. Saunders agrees with Sarzan. She says parents can't live their lives in fear. So if your child asks about what happened in Manchester, her suggestions are to answer their questions, give them the basic information, and reassure them authorities are doing everything they can to keep them safe. And a way to help your child feel safe is having a plan wherever you go, knowing where the exits are, say at a grocery store or at a movie theater, and having a meeting point if you get disconnected. If the child is on their own, you can also follow what's called the X plan.
They're in an uncomfortable situation. They text you X, and you call them and you say, "I'm coming to get you," and that you pick them up and you don't ask any questions. And so it creates an exit strategy that they're willing to use because they're not going to be punished or chastised.
And Dr. Saunders says it's important for you as a parent to keep your anxiety in check as well, because your tone is also important when you are trying to explain such a sensitive situation like this to your child. Catalina Trevino, NBC Connecticut News. Brad.